My name is Brett Goldsmith. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Cardea. And I'm excited to talk to you today. I'll get to that. But what I really want to do is back up and tell a story of how we got here. 20 years ago, I started off measuring carbon nanotube devices, bioelectronics, putting down proteins and measuring what they were doing. And I measured this protein called lysozyme, and I would measure it and see it do something, and then I would come back and I would do another measurement with another device, another protein. It would be different. And every single time it was different. And this drove me crazy. And eventually I figured out that from my biochemist colleague that each lysozyme is a little bit different. And that's because biochemistry is not a perfect process. Every lysozyme, this one might have a little extra sugar, that one might be missing an amino acid. They're all slightly different. And it's his PhD project to figure out the variation in the biology. And it was mine to do the measurement, and another person's to make the material, and another one to design the chip, and so on. All these PhD projects stacked up on top of each other. And I realized that we couldn't make progress as a field, this bioelectronic nano measurement, by doing PhD projects. We needed a scalable system concept. So that's what we've done at Cardea with our BPU, Biosignal Processing Unit. The BPU, like what we've done to make this scalable system concept, is we've split it into modular sections. There's the wetware, which is the biology and the biochemistry and the buffers and all of that. There's the nanoware, that's the graphene transistor design. There's the hardware, that's the computer and the analog electronics, the traditional electronics. And then there's the software. That's what runs the system as well as critically the data analysis. All four of those need to work together. They need to have a unified system design, and that makes it a BPU so that you have fluid coming in at one side and data coming out from software on the other side. By creating this scalable system concept with these modules that work well together, that allows us to focus manufacturing on reproducibility and reliability in a set design without having to change it all the time. Because we had that concept, I can tell you today what I'm excited about, which is we've just manufactured our 1/2 millionth sensor. And we think that in the next year, we're going to be manufacturing our 1,000,000th sensor. And that shows that we've reached some really important scaling milestones.